Literally speaking, it is a war going on. It is a war against what? It's a war against adharma. Adharma has to be fought. Remember this point. Let us not talk about ahimsa here. Somebody came in the last century and he made unconditional practice of ahimsa a compulsory thing which has literally weakened this country. What we want is strength, capacity to resist evil. Swamiji has spoken about this very wonderfully. Ahimsa can be, absolute ahimsa can be practiced only by a small number of people. And for the common man and the common woman, remember, we should learn to resist evil. Whenever there is adharma, we should learn to resist it. There are three situations, especially in my assessment, which is very important. We have to fight back and not talk about ahimsa in three situations. Number one, when our country is in danger, what will you do? You will talk about ahimsa? When our rashtra, when our country is in danger, you will sit and talk about ahimsa. You have to fight back. Number one, for fighting back, you need Shakti. Is it not? Can you fight back without Shakti? You need Shakti, you need this divine. You need the Mahishasura Mardini spirit. She is Asura Mardini. We need this energy which can kill the demons. So first thing, to protect your country, to protect your rashtra. Second thing, to protect your dharma. When your dharma is under threat, what will you do? You will talk about ahimsa. You have to fight back all those evil forces which are causing danger to your own dharma. This is another lesson that we have to learn. Let us not talk about, what should I say? There is no samanvaya with the forces of evil. This is dharma samanvaya, not adharma samanvaya. I always say this. Samanvaya is not with the forces of adharma. There cannot be any friendship with forces of adharma. Adharma has to be vanquished in whichever form it is. Number three, when the honor of our daughters and sisters are in danger. Tell me, when the honor of our own daughters and sisters are in danger, will you be talking about ahimsa? This is nonsense. You should learn to fight back, to preserve the honor of our own daughters and sisters and wives. Is it not? So ahimsa, the practice of ahimsa, it is conditional. It depends upon the circumstances and situations. In all situations, you cannot do that. For the common man, the teaching is you have to resist evil. And if you have to resist evil,